Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to apply for jobs on LinkedIn. This platform has become one of the most powerful tools for job seekers, allowing you to search thousands of opportunities and apply directly with just a few clicks. Let's walk through the entire process step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to linkedin.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signed in properly, as this will give you access to all the job application features LinkedIn has to offer. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top of the page where you'll find the search bar. This is where you'll type in the job title or keyword for the position you're interested in. For example, if you're looking for a marketing role, simply type that in and hit enter. LinkedIn will begin pulling up relevant job listings based on your search. After you search, LinkedIn will display a list of available jobs that match your criteria. Now, this is where things get interesting. At the top of the results page, you'll notice several filter options that can help you narrow down your search. For instance, if you're looking for remote work, go ahead and click on the remote filter. You can also click on Easy Apply, which is a fantastic feature that streamlines the application process by allowing you to apply without leaving LinkedIn's platform. These filters save you time and help you focus on the opportunities that best fit your needs. Now scroll through the filtered results and find a job that catches your eye. Once you've found one, click on the job listing to open up the full details. Take a moment to read through the job description and requirements to make sure it's a good match for your skills and experience. When you're ready to apply, look for the Easy Apply button and click it. This will launch a simplified application form directly within LinkedIn, making the process much quicker than traditional job applications. The first thing you'll need to do is input your email address and mobile phone number. LinkedIn may autofill this information if it's already saved in your profile, but double check to make sure everything is correct. Once you've confirmed your contact details, click Next to move forward. On the next screen, you'll be prompted to upload your resume. If you don't already have one attached to your LinkedIn profile, now's the time to upload it. Make sure your resume is up to date and tailored to the job you're applying for. After uploading, click Next to continue. Now comes the part where you'll need to answer some company-specific questions. These questions vary depending on the employer and might include things like your availability, salary expectations, or specific qualifications. Take your time and answer each question thoughtfully, as this is your chance to make a strong impression. Once you've completed all the questions, click Review. You'll now be taken to a review page where you can see everything you've submitted. This is your final chance to make sure all your information is accurate and complete. Double-check your contact details, resume, and answers to the company questions. If everything looks good, go ahead and click Submit Application. And that's it. Your application has been successfully submitted, and the hiring team will review it. Now you can continue searching for more opportunities or track your applications directly through LinkedIn. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.